Hi, my name is Shivam Sanjay Gave. I am from Dhuhi, Maharashtra. I am completing my degree in computer science from SSUPS Science College, Dhuhi. Today's topic is what is polymorphism? Uh, Discuss about in polymorphism. We declare about in polymorphism is the concept of object-oriented programming language. It is used in object-oriented programming language. Basically, object-oriented programming language there are six pillars: class, object, abstraction, interface, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Polymorphism is the most important point of OOPS. Discuss about polymorphism. Polymorphism is basically Greek word that is combined with two words. Poly means many, and morphs means form. That's combined with many forms. That is uh, one action can perform different ways in different situations. That is the definition of polymorphism. One action can perform different ways and different situations. Hmm. We can explain in real time, real world example. Suppose one person they can roll multiple ways. That is that person roll in college time as a student, as a job time as a employee, go to home to roll in any parents, uh, son of any parent, role in parents, role in husband, role in employee, role in child, multiple role. Means one person that can multiple roles is nothing but is polymorphism. That is polymorphism is concept one single action can perform multiple ways and multiple times. That is second example is we can process with transaction in money, process of money transaction. uh, Main target is money transaction is one person to another person, but there are different method and different way we can translate the money. Process is one key transfer the money one person to another person, but the ways are different. We can translate the money in debit card, credit card, or other phone pay, google pay, in many ways to transaction the money is way. Process is one to transaction the money, but their ways is different. This is the example of polymorphism. Polymorphism basically there are two types. One type is compile time polymorphism and second is runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism also called as method overloading, and the second one is runtime polymorphism also called as dynamic or method overloading. Hmm. Firstly, method overloading. Method overloading means method overloading means mm, multiple method having same name but different parameters. And the second one is method overriding in the multiple method having same name but has the same parameters. In that can use method overriding uh, a child class, child class to implement the parent class data. This is the method overriding. This that can override the parent class data in child class. Because mainly using polymorphism in OOPS concept because they are code reusability, maintain the code, and the code flexibility. Because in this method polymorphism, one we can declare multiple object. We can give the single parent class and can create a multiple object to calling through. We can call the multiple object. This is the code reusability. We cannot repeat the code. We not multiple time call the parent class. We one time the call the parent class and we can create a multiple object and call the compile time with the object only object. This is the use of polymorphism. We can uh, uh, fast to process the compile time and in multiple time we can calling to object. This is the flexibility of code. to fastly run the code, and we can attach added the multiple classes and multiple objects in this method. This is the mainly use of polymorphism. Multiple times we can any constructor or class to use multiple object create, multiple class create, but this polymorphism we cannot need any uh, super class. We can need only subclass and create object, and the compile time we call the uh, subclass object. Thank you.